I'm a police officer. My name's Sergeant Terry Burns. It's my badge. It's concerning me that you're filming me, sir. Can you answer any questions for me? Please allow my colleague to do her job. Please allow my colleague to do her job, sir. No. If you're interfering with a police officer in the lawful execution of their duty, I will remind you that that is an offence. Please,
step out of my way.
I'm not in your way. I'm not in your way.
I'm walking.
You are
do not touch me.
You're attempting to interfere.
Do not touch me, and do not block me.
With a police officer.
I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. She shouldn't be wearing it. Tell her to take it off.
I'm not instructing the officer to do that, sir.
Well, I will. Take off your badge.
The officer.
Take off your thin blue line badge. It's banned.
Is in lawful execution of her duty.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
That is fine.
Okay, so go away now. Go away now. No, you're not instructing me anything.
I'm instructing you.
Don't instruct me nothing.
If you interfere,
I'm not talking to her. I'm not talking to her.
A police sergeant falsely accuses a peaceful auditor of interfering with a female officer, but the footage proves the claim is baseless. The auditor is clearly focused on the sergeant, never distracting the officer. This kind of on-camera narrative twisting is a classic tactic to justify unnecessary confrontation. It signals not just weak training but a deeper hostility toward public accountability. What's worse, this isn't a rookie, this is a sergeant, someone meant to uphold standards. Instead, he tries to criminalize lawful behavior and escalate a calm encounter to exert power. The video captures every second, revealing how authority can be misused when those in charge rewrite facts to protect themselves rather than respect the rights of people filming lawfully.
Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her?
Yes, I have, sir.
When have I? Don't lie. You're on camera.
It's on your phone,
You're
sir.
right.
You've been talking to my colleague,
no,
sir.
I've been talking.
Yes,
I said
you
tell her to take off the badge.
You've asked me
I asked
when.
you. Tell her to take that badge off. It's against the Met uniform. You shouldn't be wearing it.
Can we ask what you're doing here, though?
Yeah, I'm looking at you taking off. I want you to take that badge off. So that's what you know. What I'm doing. Okay. I'm looking at you and telling you to take that badge off because you are wearing that badge. And I want you to take it off. It's a disgrace. It's a deface the union flag. Well, get in the van and do your job then. I can do what I want. I can do what I want. I can film the building.
It's a bit of concern for us, though, isn't it?
Why? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why.
It's a security risk.
Why? Why?
Police building with people going in and out.
And am I on a public pavement?
Pardon?
Am I on a public pavement? Am I in a public pavement? Yes, you said, yeah? I'm in a public space. So therefore, don't come up to me. Don't walk to me. Do not. And I'm not listening to you. Do not walk to me. I'm on the public pavement filming a building. No, I'm not. You're obstructing it. Get your car out.
A police sergeant falsely accuses a peaceful auditor of interfering with a female officer coming and going, but the footage proves the claim has already left the scene. The auditor is clearly focused on the sergeant, calmly reminds him he's on a public pavement with every legal right to record. This kind of on-camera narrative twisting is a classic tactic to justify unnecessary confrontation. You're on a pavement, it signals not just weak training but a deeper hostility toward public accountability. What's worse, this isn't a rookie. The real obstruction is the sergeant, someone meant to uphold standards, parked awkwardly with the door wide open and he tries to criminalize lawful behavior and escalate a calm encounter to exert power. Yet it exposes a troubling truth. The video captures when authority is questioned, revealing how authority can be misused when those in charge rewrite facts to protect themselves rather than respect the rights of people filming lawfully.
Get your car out the way. You keep on coming so close, don't you? You're intimidating me.
I'm not intimidating you, sir.
Section 5.
Oh,
yeah, you're causing me alarm, harassment and distress, okay? I don't care. I do not care. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Tell her to take that badge off. Go on, tell her to take the badge off. The badge is defaced union flag. It shouldn't be on your uniform.
We may seize that phone.
Oh, you won't.
Police and Criminal Evidence
No, you
Act.
won't. No, you won't.
If I think
you won't touch my phone.
Evidence on your phone.
There's no evidence on my phone for you. No, you won't. You won't. If you touch me or my phone, no, I'm not listening to you. I keep on telling you. No, you don't need to get close to me. Step away and stop pointing your finger. No, you won't.
This is not difficult,
no, you won't.
Sir.
All right then. Well, I'll tell you won't take my phone.
You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone,
as what evidence to do what?
I will take
of what crime?
Under the Police and
what
Criminal
crime?
Evidence Act,
What
sir.
crime?
It's
not. Police and Criminal Act does not allow you to take my phone. You need to articulate a crime.
It does. Sir.
What's the crime?
The sergeant threatens to seize the auditor's phone under the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, PACE, yet cannot identify any crime to justify such action. Under PACE, property can be seized only if officers reasonably believe it holds evidence of a specific offense, and only when there are genuine grounds that a crime has occurred. Filming in public, even if police vehicles or staff appear, does not meet that legal threshold. This isn't a minor misunderstanding, it's a blatant misuse of authority. By dropping legal terms like pace, the sergeant attempts to intimidate and push the auditor into surrendering his rights. But when asked which crime is being investigated, nothing is offered, no theft, assault, or harassment, just a camera and a citizen lawfully recording. Without a clearly stated offense, there is no lawful power to search or seize personal property, exposing how easily legislation can be twisted to pressure the public instead of upholding genuine legal protections.
What's the crime?
Well, you have indicated.
Yeah, go on.
You're alleging that an officer is wearing something they shouldn't, sir.
She is.
Oh, evidence then, sir.
Evidence from me.
Yes.
Yes,
and I will take the evidence from you.
Why? Why? What crime is it? What crime am I doing? Is it a crime to identify a defaced Union flag for police?
If you're saying
What do you want? What do you want?
Then we can seize that, can't we, as evidence?
Film yourself.
Pardon?
Film yourself.
I don't need to film myself.
Oh, are you filming me?
Pardon?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Have you told me?
You haven't told me you're filming me. either.
Have you told me?
No.
It's within your policy to state at the first
Policy is
practical,
not law that I
at
tell
the
you that.
first practical opportunity to let me know that you are filming me. Okay? And you haven't even done that, have you? You haven't even gone by your policies. That means you're a tyrant.
It's policy that it's not.
You're a
it's not law
tyrant.
to do that, is it?
Oh, of course it is. Are you mad? You're supposed to be telling people that you're filming them. You know GDPR? Stated.
When the auditor reminds the officer she's required to state if she's recording, she brushes it off with, "It's policy, not law." That answer is not only careless but dangerous for someone charged with enforcing rules and protecting public trust. While policy is in statute, it remains binding on professional conduct and is key to GDPR compliance. These guidelines exist to ensure transparency and protect personal data. Ignoring them undermines accountability and edges close to breaching data protection law. In policing, policy defines how officers interact with the public and sets standards the community relies on. Treating it as optional signals disregard for both privacy rights and the ethical duty to uphold trust while carrying out official duties in public spaces.
On your way, move your car. It's obstructing.
You're currently obstructing the public highway.
No, I'm not.
sir.
I'm walking up and down, so I'm not currently doing anything. You're currently obstructing the public highway. Yeah? You're just trying to you're trying to lie. I think that's called manifest. Yeah, in public office. Yeah,
Sorry,
I think
what's it
so.
called, sir?
Don't worry about what it's called. Tell me what pace is. Tell me what crime I'm committing. Huh?
Sir, please stop filming me,
Muppet.
sir. Please stop filming.
I will keep on filming you. I'm allowed to film.
He's filming the building. He's filming.
My body one's cameras on.
Officers,
Thank you for telling me your body wore on cam. Thank you for upholding your policy.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
You're right. Sorry.
I don't know what's actually happening.
So he's filming. Speak to me, talk to my colleague.
You can talk as much as you like. It's a public place. Make privacy if you want to. Go on then.
He's filming personal cars coming out.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I wasn't doing that.
Colleagues coming in and out in their personal
No,
cars.
he's not coming in and out in his personal car. He was going in and I was filming. I didn't go to him and I didn't film his car.
The officer falsely claims the auditor filmed the sergeant entering and exiting his car, though the sergeant had only just arrived. In truth, the sergeant chose to stop, get out, and escalate. The auditor, meanwhile, was simply filming in public, well within his rights. By framing it as targeted surveillance of the sergeant's movements, the officer plants a misleading story that implies suspicious intent. This calculated distortion risks prompting unnecessary police action and undermines public trust. The footage makes the reality clear. The sergeant initiated the contact, and the auditor merely documented events, exposing how quickly facts can be twisted to criminalize perfectly lawful conduct and intimidate lawful observers.
Off you go. Dismissed. Walk of shame. Off you go. I'm not being rude. I'm telling him. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Why? When you tell
No, I'm
someone
not.
off you go.
Off you go. Dismissed.
excuse me, officer.
Rude is not a crime.
To say, if this gentleman has any footage on his phone of my car's registration number, okay, I fear under the Terrorism Act, unless we prove otherwise, that I'm in danger.
Yeah.
And I want this gentleman to understand that if I feel I'm in danger, he's refused to provide any details of what he's doing here, Okay? If I feel that you're trying to identify me personally, sir.
Did you drive up? Did you drive up? Did I come to you? Did I ask you
have
anything?
immediately
Did
started
I
filming
ask you anything? You stopped your car and you said to me, what am I doing? Who am I? So get in your car and go away. Stop trying to incriminate people and abuse the rules and laws.
The sergeant claims he fears for his safety under the Terrorism Act because the auditor might have filmed his car's registration plate. Yet registration numbers visible from a public road carry no special legal protection, and filming them is not terrorism. Section 43 of the Act permits a stop and search only when officers have reasonable suspicion of terrorist activity. Mere discomfort doesn't qualify. Invoking such powers without evidence is more than a legal error, it's a dangerous misuse of legislation designed to address genuine threats. By stretching counter-terror laws to shield himself from a camera, the sergeant undermines public trust and the serious intent of those laws, showing how personal unease or ego can be turned into intimidation rather than legitimate policing.
What's the purpose of your visit today here, sir?
She's wearing a defaced union flag and she should take it off. That's what she should be doing. You should be telling her to take off, or he, she, them, however she wants to be represented, that she shouldn't be wearing a defaced union flag on her uniform. That muppet, whoever he is, no, I can call him a muppet.
Why?
Because I can.
No one's calling you.
It's not a swear word, is it? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? I'm asking you. No. So I can call him a muppet, can't I?
What's the purpose of
Yeah?
your visit
Can I
today?
call him a muppet? Can I call him a muppet? Is it a swear word? Don't be civil, I'm not your mate, okay? If you want to be civil, go inside, leave me alone, because I'm doing nothing wrong, okay? Off your pop.
What is the purpose of your visit?
The encounter draws to a close as the sergeant, cornered by his own contradictions and empty threats, quietly retreats to his car and drives away. The swagger and aggressive tone that marked his arrival have evaporated, replaced with an awkward silence. Yet the quiet ending doesn't erase the chaos he set in motion. From the moment he stepped out of his vehicle, he approached the auditor with hostility, skipping any attempt to assess the situation or engage respectfully. Instead, he immediately accused the auditor of interfering with a female officer, obstructing police business, and even posing a threat, claims that fell apart the moment they were questioned. At every turn, the sergeant doubled down. He threatened to seize the auditor's phone under the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, PACE, despite being unable to name any actual crime. Under PACE, officers may seize property only if they have reasonable grounds to believe it contains evidence of a specific offense. Merely filming in public, even if police vehicles or staff appear, does not come close to meeting that legal standard. His inability to state a single criminal act revealed the emptiness of the threat and exposed a troubling misuse of authority. The situation became even more farcical when the sergeant insisted that capturing his vehicle's registration plate could create a terrorism risk. He invoked the Terrorism Act, suggesting he feared for his safety. But Section 43 of that act is crystal clear. It permits stop and search only when there is reasonable suspicion of terrorist involvement. A number plate visible on a public street does not qualify. The irony was hard to miss. His own car door hung open, partly blocking the road, while he lectured about obstruction and danger. If privacy truly concerned him, rushing an individual holding a camera was hardly the safest plan. Meanwhile, the female officer on scene compounded the breakdown in professionalism. When reminded of the policy requiring officers to inform people when body-worn cameras begin recording, she brushed it off with the dismissive remark, "It's policy, not law." That distinction is both misleading and dangerous. Policy may not be statute, but it is binding within professional standards and critical for GDPR compliance. Her comment displayed a worrying disregard for transparency and public trust. Worse, she falsely told a colleague that the auditor had been filming the sergeant entering and exiting his vehicle, even though he had just arrived. This misrepresentation painted a false picture of suspicious intent, risking unnecessary escalation. Throughout the confrontation, the auditor stayed composed and precise, calmly asserting his rights. One simple question cut through all the noise: "Did you not drive up to me? Did you not approach me?" That single line dismantled the sergeant's narrative, making it impossible to argue that the auditor was the aggressor. The power of knowledge and a steady demeanor was on full display, proving how effective an informed citizen can be in holding authority accountable. What unfolded wasn't just a clash of personalities, it was a complete failure of leadership, communication, and judgment. The officers were neither outnumbered nor under threat. They had every chance to handle the encounter with professionalism and restraint. Instead, ego, ignorance, and a disregard for public rights dominated. When ranking officers treat lawful filming as suspicious and twist the law to intimidate, they don't merely mishandle one incident, they undermine the credibility of the badge itself.